Stay to the right to I-10.
There has never been a time when this country has needed to hear the gospel more.
Father Richard Simon.
There has never been a time when this country has needed to hear the gospel more. And that's what we're doing here.
Stay to the left.
Relevant Radio, we're a school of discipleship.
That's 800-968-9200. Certain terms and conditions apply.
What the
CSLP
fuck?
number 1052855.
You motherfuckers letting everybody over.
Your rights against all
Use the
parties.
right 3 lanes to
Attend
stay
the
to the
free
right to
informational
I-10.
workshop at the Hilton Pasadena on Tuesday, March 25th from 5:30 till 7:30 p.m.
Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
do we have any rice left?
No, not that much.
Okay. All right. I'll grab some more rice.